The simple way to make money in crypto for beginners, no fuss. New to crypto and don't know where to start? Calm down. Although it looks complicated, crypto can be a source of profit as long as you know the tricks. Let's look at 4 basic strategies that are suitable for beginners. 1. Save Bitcoin, a hassle-free long-term investment. Think of Bitcoin as a digital gold savings account that can grow in value over time. In fact, Bitcoin is now in the top 5 largest assets in the world, beating giant companies like Meta, Facebook, and Tesla. Why is it a smart idea to save Bitcoin? An inflation shield. When the price of basic necessities rises, the value of money in a regular savings account can be eroded. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has a history of increasing in price by hundreds of percent in the last 10 years. Simple example, if 5 years ago you saved $10 per week in Bitcoin, today it's worth the equivalent of buying a new motorcycle. You don't need to be good at prediction. By buying regularly in small increments, e.g. $5 per week, you automatically avoid price fluctuations. This is called dollar cost averaging, DCA. When the price drops, you can buy more pieces. When the price goes up, you've already made a profit. Backed by big institutions, from Elon Musk to countries like El Salvador that officially use Bitcoin as a means of payment. This means that Bitcoin is increasingly recognized as a valuable asset. How to start saving Bitcoin like a beginner. 1. Choose a trusted application. Recommendations such as Binance, Bybit, or others. Make sure it's legal and trusted in your country. 2. Set a regular schedule. Activate the Auto Invest feature so that your digital wallet balance automatically buys Bitcoin every week. Don't have time to check the price? No problem. 3. Keep it safe. After collecting 1 to 2K, move it to a hardware wallet, such as Ledger/Trezor, which looks like a flash drive. It's safer than storing in an exchange, like putting gold in a safe rather than on your porch. Myth versus fact. Bitcoin is expensive. I can't afford it. Myth. Fact. You can buy any fraction of Bitcoin, e.g. 0.0001 BTC, for just $1. You have to sell when the price goes down. Myth. Fact. Bitcoin saving is a long-term game. Ups and downs in price are normal. When the price crashes, it's the best time to increase your savings. Inspirational story. Imagine a housewife in Bali who has been saving Bitcoin $20 per month since 2019. In 2021, when the price broke $60,000 per BTC, her savings were enough to pay the down payment for a house. Moreover, in 2025 the price is already above $100,000/BTC. Important warning. Do not use emergency money or debt to save crypto. Always do your research before choosing an investment platform. With discipline and patience, saving Bitcoin can be a lucrative future passive income. Let's start now, before the price of Bitcoin reaches millions. 2. Altcoin trading. Play fast. Earn bigger, but be careful. Altcoins, cryptos other than Bitcoin, are like a digital roller coaster. Their prices can shoot to the moon or freefall in a matter of hours. For example, Shiba Inu has risen 1,000% in a month, or Solana has gone from $2 to $250. But remember, this is a speculation arena, not a casual investment. Why altcoins are so exciting? Crazy profit potential. If you time it right, $100 can become $1,000 in a week, but it can also become $10. New gem projects. Many altcoins have cool technology behind them, such as blockchain for gaming, e.g. Axie Infinity, or NFTs, e.g. Decentraland. Community hype. Altcoins are often driven by social media trends. For example, Dogecoin exploded due to Elon Musk's support or Shiba Inu memes. Trading strategies for beginners. From little capital to big profits. A. Scalping. Fast profits in the style of fried food traders. Concept. Buy and sell within hours/minutes, profiting from small fluctuations. Example. Buy Solana in the morning at $200, sell in the afternoon when it rises 5%, $210. Profit $10 in 3 hours. Suitable for those who like to monitor candlestick charts and real-time crypto news. Mandatory weapon. Apps with price alerts, e.g. TradingView, and low-fee exchanges, e.g. Binance/Bybit. B. Swing trading, playing on the tidal wave. Concept. Hold coins for 3 days to 2 weeks, capitalizing on up/down trends. Example 1. Buy Cardano, ADA, when it drops 30% to 70 cents. 2. Hold for 1 week until the price rebounds 50% to $1.05. 3. Sell and make 35 cents per coin. Suitable for beginners who want to learn simple technical analysis, support/resistance, RSI. Warning, this is not a night market. Don't let your marriage capital become a fair. Altcoins can crash 90% in one day. Example Terra Luna, which went from $80 to $0.002. Don't use loan money/school money. Only use cold money that is ready to disappear. Don't get carried away by FOMO. When an altcoin goes up 200%, don't buy it on a whim. It could be a pump and dump. Myths versus facts of altcoin trading. Altcoins are the cheap version of Bitcoin. Myth. Fact. 95% of altcoins don't have fundamentals as strong as Bitcoin. Many are just pump and dump. Trading altcoins can make you rich overnight. Myth. The facts. Only 5% of traders are consistently profitable. The rest? Many have burned their accounts. Beginners' safe trading tips. 1. Learn 1 to 2 indicators only. For example, MA, moving average, or trading volume. Don't overdo the theory. 2. Use the stop-loss feature. Auto-sell when the price drops to a certain level, e.g. minus 10%, so that you don't lose badly. 3. Diversify. Don't put all your capital in one altcoin. Divide it into 3 to 5 different coins. Inspirational story. A student in Jakarta once earned $5,000 from Shiba Inu in 2 weeks. But because he was greedy, he reinvested into fake altcoins and lost all his profits in 3 days. The moral of the story: take profit is mandatory. And don't be greedy. Checklist before trading altcoins. Research the altcoin project, website, team, roadmap. Understand the risks and use stop-loss. Capitalize only 5 to 10% of total crypto assets. Be mentally prepared to see a blood-red portfolio. If you are not ready for the psychological pressure, better focus on saving Bitcoin. But if you want to learn while swimming in the crypto sea, altcoin trading can be an exciting training ground. 3. Staking. Earn interest similar to deposits, but the reward is greater. Staking crypto is like planting a digital money tree. You leave your coins on the platform, then get rewarded in the form of interest that is much greater than bank deposits. Imagine, if bank interest is only 2 to 3% per year, crypto staking can give you 5% to 20%. How does it work? When you stake, your coins are lent to keep the blockchain network, e.g. Solana, Cardano, or Ethereum, safe. It's like being a security guard who gets a commission. The more users staking, the stronger and more secure the network becomes. Simple example. You stake 10 SOL, Solana, with 6% interest per year, APY. A year later, you get 0.6 SOL, about $96. If the SOL price goes up, your profit can be double, from interest plus coin price increase. Why staking is suitable for beginners. 1. Passive profit. No need to monitor the price every day. Deposit coins, sit back and wait for the interest to come in. 2. Lower risk than trading, not subject to short-term price fluctuations. 3. Support favorite crypto projects. Staking in blockchains like Polygon or Avalanche means you're contributing to the ecosystem. Pitfalls to avoid. Watch out, don't get scammed. Fake platforms. Many scammers lure 100% plus APY. Example, Hyperverse. Remember, reasonable APY is 5 to 20%. Long coin lock. Some projects force your coins to be locked for 1 to 2 years. Choose something flexible, e.g. Binance can unstaking anytime. Slashing. On blockchains like Ethereum, validators can be penalized if the network crashes. Make sure to choose a platform that minimizes this risk. Beginner's Guide to Staking. You can do it too. 1. Choose a stable coin. Recommendations for beginners. Solana, 6 to 8%, Cardano, 3 to 5%, or BNB, 5 to 7%. 2. Find a trusted platform. Exchange, Binance, Bybit, or an official and trusted platform in your country. Wallet, Trust Wallet, Ledger, more secure. 3. Check the terms. Minimum staking, example, BNB on Binance minimum 0.1 BNB is almost equal to $60. Lock duration, Some are instant unstaking, some are 7 to 30 days. 4. Auto compounding. Activate this feature to automatically add interest to your capital. The interest is compounding, the money is flowing. Myths versus facts of staking. Staking is just like a time deposit. It's safe. Myth. Facts. Coin value can go down despite high APY. Example. If SOL drops 20%, even if you get 6% interest, your portfolio will still be minus 14%. The higher the APY, the better. Myth. Fact. 50% plus APY is usually from new, high-risk projects. They might rug pull the coins. Inspirational staking story. A mom staked 1 ETH in Lido Finance with 4% APY. After 2 years, her ETH became 1.08 ETH, up 8%. As the price of ETH itself rose from $1,500 to $3,000, the total asset value was $3,240. Capital $1,500. Profit plus interest $1,740. Anti-fail staking tips. Diversify. Don't put all coins on one platform. Divide it into several projects. Don't be greedy. 8% sustainable APY is better than 30% risky. Wise rhymes. Staking ETH in Lido, the money comes slowly. If you want high APY, get ready to be trapped by Satan. Checklist before staking. Check the reputation of the platform. Read reviews on Reddit/YouTube. Understand the unstaking fee. Some deduct 0.1 SOL, for example. Make sure the coin is not locked for too long. Be mentally prepared if the coin price drops dramatically. Staking is a smart way for beginners who want to earn extra money without the headache of trading. But remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. 4. Airdrop and Web Program 3. Get free tokens with just a click. Imagine digital prize hunting without having to buy tickets or take quizzes. That's crypto airdrops. Many blockchain projects are giving away free tokens to attract users. From college students to moms, you can earn money if you know the trick. A real-life example, the Arbitrum Airdrop 2023 that gave $1,000 to $3,000 worth of tokens to active participants. How does it work? The Web3 project, a new generation of blockchain-based internet, needs an active community. They are giving out free tokens as bait to get people to try the product. The task is simple. 1. Standard airdrop. Follow the project's Twitter/Instagram. Join the Telegram/Discord group. Fill in the wallet address form. Example, Jito Network, Solana. Airdrop that distributed 250 JTO tokens, worth $2,000, to participants. 2. Holder airdrop. Have certain coins in your wallet? Get a free token allotment. Example, Ethereum holders sometimes get airdrops of Layer 2 projects like Optimism. 3. Exclusive airdrop. Must participate in special activities, such as swap tokens on DEX, e.g. Uniswap, PancakeSwap. Test new protocols, e.g. borrow or deposit funds on AAV. Become a beta tester of Web3 applications. Success story and bitter scam. Success story. A student joined the Starknet testnet Layer 2 Ethereum for 3 months. Result, 1,200 SDRK tokens worth $3,000. Horror story. A mom clicked on a fake airdrop link on WhatsApp. As a result, her wallet was drained of $1,000. Tips to become a reliable airdrop hunter. 1. Look for potential projects. Focus on Layer 1/Layer 2 blockchain, Solana, Ethereum, Polygon. DeFi, such as Uniswap, PancakeSwap. NFTs and Web3 games. Example, Pixels, Saga. 2. Diligently explore. Follow at AirdropAlertcom or at AirdropKing_ on Twitter. Check platforms like Galx or Layer 3 for verified airdrop tasks. 3. Create a custom wallet. Use a separate wallet, e.g. MetaMask, for airdrops. Do not use the main wallet. 4. Don't be lazy with documentation. Keep proof of all tasks, screenshots, TX hash, if you need to claim. Lurking dangers, don't get fooled. Phishing links. Many scammers make websites look like the real thing. Always check the URL. Ask for private key. No legit airdrop asks for wallet privacy. Fictitious project. Airdrops luring AI coin or Donald Trump coin. Tokens are usually fake. Airdrop myths versus facts. Airdrops are only for foreigners. Myth. Fact. Many participants from different countries have successfully earned thousands of dollars in airdrops, such as Arkham Intel and Celestia. You have to pay to participate in airdrops. Myth. The facts. Airdrops are legit 100% free. If you are asked to transfer crypto, it must be a scam. Safe checklist before joining an airdrop. Check the reputation of the project. Does it have an open team? Has it cooperated with major exchanges? Make sure the task is reasonable. Follow social media and test the product, not transfer money. Do not share seed phrase /private key wallet. Use dedicated email and wallet for airdrops. A beginner's guide to airdrop participation. 1. Sign up for an account on Binance or Coinbase. 2. Download the wallet MetaMask for Ethereum or Phantom for Solana. 3. Follow Twitter at airdrops_io and search for trending projects. 4. Do the task, e.g. swap $3 worth of tokens on Uniswap. 5. Wait 3 to 6 months. If you're lucky, free tokens in your wallet. Important note. Don't be greedy. Airdrops are like lotteries. Not all of them will be giveaways. But the more you participate, the better your chances are. Don't forget security. Enable 2FA on all accounts. The world of Web3 is a new and underrated field of profit. With a smartphone and patience, you can get free tokens that could one day become expensive. Who knows? The airdrop you claim today could be the down payment for a house in 5 years. Bonus. How to detect a fake airdrop in 10 seconds. 1. Check the project's Twitter followers. Less than 1.000? Beware. 2. Google the project name plus the word scam. Any reports? Skip. 3. Website has no team or white paper section. Better run away. Packed with digital bounty hunting, analogies, and extreme case examples, success versus failure, to trigger awareness. Checklists and step-by-step guides help beginners get started safely. Tips for detecting scams in 10 seconds is a powerful weapon to avoid being trapped. Excitement. Of these 4 strategies, which one are you most interested in? Saving Bitcoin? Trading? Staking? Or becoming an airdrop hunter? Choose the one that suits your risk, then action. Okay, before we end, don't forget our golden rules. 5 important rules of Mr. So Crypto. First, don't use hot money. Use extra or idle money. Do not use money for daily needs or money that will be used in the near future. Second, don't over-leverage. Risk what you can afford to lose if you trade derivatives, futures. Always use a stop loss because the crypto market is very volatile. Third, 70 Bitcoin 30 altcoin. Always allocate more in Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the parent of crypto. By allocating more in Bitcoin, your portfolio will be safer when the market does not meet expectations. Fourth, always stay cash. Always stay in cash 10 to 20 to buy when the market discounts or drops significantly. Then you can sell when the price has risen, so that you still have cash for the next discount. Fifth, think long-term. Investing is not about 1 or 2 days to get rich. So think long-term and minimize the risks that might make your money disappear. Everything takes time. Remember, Warren Buffett didn't build his fortune overnight. If you find this video useful, help us to continue to make videos like this by clicking subscribe and share with your family and friends. Don't forget to let us know in the comments column if there is anything you have questions about, because your comments mean a lot to build this channel. See you soon, and don't forget, HODL knowledge and mindset first, then HODL assets.